We were transporting some equipment from Madison County to Haywood County on Highway 209 when I noticed a young child at the end of his driveway looking up the road, which was unusual. So I slowed down to see what he was looking for, and approximately 100 yards on up 209, I saw an SUV laying on its side.
And essentially a car had overturned. It's on its side in a ditch and smoking, so there's a very real possibility of catching on fire. And Tony essentially took charge of the situation. At a great danger to himself, he jumped on top of the vehicle and one by one started pulling children out of the vehicle. 3 children specifically and their grandmother.
I see the young boy standing on the glass of the passenger side while his 2 sisters in the back seat were hanging, and so was his grandmother in the driver's seat. So I raised him out, got him out, crawled down in there, got his 2 sisters unbuckled and got them out. And then we all worked together to get the grandmother out because the vehicle became unstable after we got the children out. And you see somebody and you think they need help and you think, this could be my family, and you just react. So I just stopped in the middle of 209, which is not a road you want to stop in, put my hazards on and ran over there.
While Tony will say anyone would have done the same thing, not a big deal, I definitely don't agree with that. And even if someone else tried to help, I'm not sure anyone could have done it the way he did. The way he assessed the situation, commanded the attention he deserved, and essentially carried out a rescue operation.
I was just in the right place at the right time, and I was glad to help somebody.